Stop scrolling right now. Because these 5 Amazon bike gadgets are absolutely insane. One of them will literally change the way you ride forever. We're talking smarter safety, more speed, and upgrades you didn't even know existed. No cheap accessories, only next level gear. Trust me. Number 4 is a total game changer. Helmet on. Let's ride. Number 1. This e-bike conversion kit turns your regular bicycle into an electric bike in just 30 seconds. Flush face, no tools. No complicated setup. Just attach it to the back of your bike. And you're ready to ride electric. That big power bank looking device? It's actually an electric bike converter called PicaBoss 2. The rear drive roller presses against your back tire and instantly powers your ride. You can switch between multiple riding modes, and it even features smart self-adjusting speed technology. When you're going uphill, it automatically gives you extra power. And when you're going downhill, it switches into charging mode. Battery, top speed reaches up to 20 miles per hour, with a battery range of around 55 miles. And yes, it can even charge your phone while you ride. Price is around $299. Number 2. LED wheel lights. LED wheel lights make your bike stand out at night while keeping you safer on the road. These lights attach directly to your wheel spokes and glow brightly as you ride, creating eye-catching patterns and vibrant colors. They're waterproof and dustproof, so you can ride in any weather without worrying about damage. Not only do they look awesome, but they also make you far more visible to cars and pedestrians from every angle. Choose steady colors, flashing modes, or full rainbow effects for that extra wow factor. Number 3. BeeLine bike computer. And this is way more than just a speed tracker. This smart cycling device doesn't just record your speed and distance, it actually guides you like a personal navigation assistant. The upgraded model features a crisp 32mm 200 by 200 TFT LCD display, giving you a clearer, larger screen than before. It's waterproof and shock resistant, so whether you're riding in the rain or hitting rough roads, you're covered. The battery charges via USB-C and delivers 10 hours of ride time on a single charge. Just enter your destination in the BeeLine app, and you'll get multiple route options. Fast route. Get there as quickly as possible. Quiet route. Less traffic, more relaxed riding. Balanced route. A smart mix of both. You'll get turn-by-turn directions, road details, real-time speed, distance, time, and ETA, all clearly displayed on screen. It even learns from rider data and feedback to suggest better routes over time. If you want smarter, safer rides, this is a serious upgrade. Number 4. Wall mount bike rack clip bicycle. Meet the ultimate space saver for bike lovers. If your bike is always in the way, this tiny but powerful clip is the perfect solution. It lets you store your bike upright against the wall, freeing up valuable floor space in seconds. Just lift the front wheel, snap it into the clip, and let the rear wheel rest naturally on the ground. That's it. Clean, simple, and super practical. Perfect for small apartments, packed garages, dorm rooms, or tight storage spaces. The heavy-duty design supports different tire sizes and installs easily with just a couple of screws. And when you're not using it, it sits flat on the wall and barely takes up any room. Number 5. USB bicycle turn signal. This is a total game changer. Install it on the back of your bike in minutes. The remote mounts right onto your handlebar, so you can signal without taking your hands off the grips. Just press a button and boom, collision. A bright left or right arrow flashes on the back, making sure cars know exactly where you're turning. No more guessing. No more risky hand signals. It's fully waterproof. Rain? Dust? No problem. And it's USB rechargeable, so you can forget about replacing batteries. Would you use this on your bike? Comment yes or no.